Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some oh so flavorful chicken gyros. We're going to start off by making our marinade for our meat. You're going to take some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You're going to add some minced garlic, some white vinegar, a little bit of lemon juice, some olive oil. We're going to add in some Greek yogurt, some dried oregano, a little bit of salt and black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. We're going to mix everything well, and then we're going to cover this and let it marinate for a couple of hours. You want that chicken to soak up all that flavor. Next, we're going to go ahead and make our tzatziki sauce. And to do that, you're going to shred up some cucumbers. You're going to add them to a paper towel and you're going to squeeze out all of that extra liquid. If you don't squeeze out that extra liquid, your tzatziki sauce will be runny and you don't want that. So make sure you get out as much liquid as you can. Now, to my cucumber, I added a little bit of lemon juice, some Greek yogurt, fresh chopped dill, a little bit of minced garlic, and some salt and pepper. And that's it, our homemade tzatziki sauce. I'm also going to make a little salad to go on top of the gyros. So I chopped up some cucumber, I sliced up some red onion, and some tomatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh parsley, salt and pepper, Now here are all of our toppings for our gyro. We have our little cucumber tomato salad, some feta cheese, our homemade tzatziki sauce, and some romaine lettuce. You're just going to cook your chicken in a skillet in a little bit of vegetable oil. You want to make sure you get some nice crispy pieces. And now you're just going to chop up your chicken, add it to your pita bread, top it with your toppings, and enjoy. Yum.